Hello and welcome to UNI Knows. I'm Professor Shaw and we're standing here in my backyard so I didn't have to put on a suit.
More importantly, there are weeds in Professor Shaw's backyard, and our guest Kavita Dhanwada researches the effects of weed and crop pesticides.
So we're filming here so everybody can look at my poor lawn care.
No, that's just a side benefit. Let's see what Kavita knows.
Hi there, I'm Kavita Dhanwada. I'm a professor in the biology department here at UNI. And what I know is we are working to uncover how pesticides work on non-target organisms. And what I mean by that, hey, pesticides are supposed to kill bugs and insects, and they're supposed to kill plants, but they're now having effects on us. The most amazing thing that we've uncovered is that some of these pesticides at very low levels, way lower than anybody thought, can actually affect human cells. They actually make them grow slower. So that's kind of exciting, but also kind of scary. I began my research because I was really interested in human health issues and how chemicals affect our human health. It is fascinating work. So what we're doing is we're using human liver cells. What we know is that when we do expose humans to pesticides, that they get all sorts of diseases, including cancer and problems with reproduction. So we want to know how that's happening. Right here at UNI, what we do is we try to make science really exciting so that we get students into the labs. I've had a lot of students that come back and say, wow, you know, the stuff that I did in the lab was super interesting, because when they do go, let's say on their medical school interviews or other interviews for jobs, my students always tell me how impressed the interviewers were when they're able to talk about their research. I think they're able to talk about their research so well because they're actually doing it. And I'm always looking for students who are really excited about doing science. That's the main thing.
Okay, next one I pull up, you gotta make the voice, okay?
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ah, you got me, Professor Shaw! You got me!